Today, we're highlighting a financing program designed for companies eligible for refundable tax credits in Quebec. This initiative provides tailored financial support by advancing up to 100% of the value of your expected credits for the fiscal year, giving you immediate liquidity instead of waiting for reimbursement. Financing is available starting from $50,000 for research and development tax credits and from $20,000 for other categories such as multimedia production, e-business, manufacturing equipment, or regional payroll credits. Eligible applicants must already qualify for one of Quebec's refundable tax credit programs and be able to demonstrate a solid cash flow budget to ensure the continuity of their operations. Funds can be used to cover day-to-day expenses, invest in innovation projects, or strengthen working capital while waiting for the government refund to arrive. With this program currently available, it offers a practical way to stabilize your cash flow and pursue growth without interruption. If your business is ready to secure reliable financing and make full use of its tax incentives, this program deserves your attention.